is World Environment Day. Do not waste time. Go practice dance. Don't sing, stop. Let's dance. No, I'm not feeling that. See, here is a full of mosquitoes. It's rainy season. Mosquitoes will come. Are you going to go? On the way, throw this space also. Plastic waste to some homes or empty homes or burning. I can't, Amma. I think I have fever. Then come, we can go to hospital. Good morning, teacher. What are you carrying? It's some dirt waste. Where are you taking them? We are going to dump this waste. Yes, please go somewhere. Dumping is being used to cause serious diseases. Then what can we do with this waste? The dumping waste is harmful to the environment and can have serious consequences. It's dangerous for all the living things. We can recycle this waste into beautiful things. Our nature is a precious gift we got from our world. We should preserve it for our next generation. Okay, teacher, we can do it.
ഒരു തൈ നടാം നമുക്കമ്മയ്ക്കു വേണ്ടി, ഒരു തൈ നടാം കൊച്ചു മക്കൾക്ക് വേണ്ടി, ഒരു തൈ നടാം 100 കിളികൾക്കു വേണ്ടി, ഒരു തൈ നട്ടാം നല്ല നാളേക്കു വേണ്ടി. Thank you.